Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you a 15 minutes routine you can do while you're away from the kid and you don't have access to your sticks. Let's go! The first exercise is tapping your knee with your hand, but in a special way. You look your forearm to your leg and then you just tap the knee. Try to have the biggest range of motion you can, so pull your hand as high as you can with every hit. You can do this also alternating. This will help you to strengthen the upper muscles of your forearm, the ones that move your wrist up. You use them with almost every hit on the drums. The second exercise is lifting your legs with your calf muscles. So you do the movement almost like jumping. You start with your leg flat on the ground and then you do the jumping motion. Together, both feet. Alternating. It helps to strengthen your calf muscles. The third exercise is similar to the first one, but you do it upside down. So you put your forearm again on your knee, but upside down, so the palm of your hand is facing upwards. You drop it as low as you can and then you pull it back again. Together. A little bit faster. It looks awkward, but it really does the work. It helps to strengthen the bottom muscles of your forearm, the ones that pulls your wrist down. The fourth exercise is just tapping with your feet with a heel down technique. The one thing to remember is having your shin almost 90 degrees to the ground. It will decrease the range of motion you can do with your feet, so your shin muscles will work harder. Alternating. Try to move your foot as high as you can, so your shin muscles will work harder. Do each of these exercises for 3 sets, each set for up to 1 minute. Do a 1-minute break between the sets. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you have any questions, comment, I will answer you. Also see my other videos, you will find there some more interesting routines. Thank you and bye!